Welcome to MyTaxPrepOffice. In this video, you will learn how to use the MyTaxPrepOffice Training Mode. Training Mode allows you to prepare 1040 individual tax returns to print and e-file them without actually transmitting them. You'll also receive accepted and rejected acknowledgments from the IRS, state, and financial partners. Once the return is e-filed, you'll be able to print Form 9325 and the confirmation letters. It's a great practice tool to use before the tax season begins. Let's get started. Log into MyTaxPrepOffice. From the dashboard, navigate to the Your Firm widget and click on Firm Setup. In the Location section of the Firm Setup, click on Add Training Location. This will add a MyTaxPrepOffice training location. To enable training mode, click on your name in the upper right-hand corner of the software and select Change Office. From the Select Office page, click on the MyTaxPrepOffice Training checkbox, then click on Change. You'll know you're in training mode by the red button displayed in the top bar. In training mode, you can start a new return, prepare a 1040 individual tax return, print the return, and e-file the return. You will get a message that states the return you are e-filing is for training purposes only. It will not be transmitted to the IRS and/or appropriate state taxing authority and financial partner. Click on Yes. Once the return is e-filed, you can check the status of the return using the e-file summary widget. You'll receive accepted and rejected acknowledgments from the IRS, state, and financial partners. And for the accepted returns, you'll be able to print Form 9325 and the confirmation letter. To exit training mode, once again, click on your name in the upper right-hand corner, select Change Office, click on Your Office checkbox, then click on Change. This completes the training video on how to use the MyTaxPrepOffice Training Mode. If you have additional questions, please visit the Solution Center by clicking the support button at the top of your MyTaxPrepOffice screen. Thank you for watching.